Now here is triangle given. Okay, so I am drawing this triangle. Okay, so what is there, for making you understand better, it will be better that I am drawing this triangle. So triangle is given. So AD and BE are medians of triangle ABC. AD and BE. Okay, AD and BE are medians of triangle ABC. So here AD. So I am drawing medians. It's not construction. So I'm making it just for understanding. Okay, so AD and BE both are what? Medians. This is point G. This is what? B. This is point C. This is point A. Clear? Now clearly you know this and this both are equals. Okay, sir. So AD and BE are medians of triangle ABC, and G is the centroid. If AG is, so G is the centroid. Okay, clearly it is intersection point of medians. If third median is drawn, okay, on AB, so this will also pass through point G. That is the reason it is called as centroid. Now AD is equal to 5 centimeter. AG is equal to 5 centimeter. This AG is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? Find, if AG is equal to 5 centimeter, find GD. You have to find out GD. And G is equal to 2 centimeter. G is equal to 2 centimeter. Then you have to find BE. BE you have to find out. Clear? So now you have to GD also find. So what will be solution? Medians intersect at the point G, the centroid. Okay, so what happens, since G is the centroid and centroid divides each median in 2:1. Therefore AG upon GD is equal to 2/1. AG upon GD is equal to 2:1. Therefore AG is how much? 5 upon GD is how much? You have to find out. Is equal to 2/1. So therefore you can say GD is equal to how much? You will do cross multiplication. Okay, GD is equal to 5 into 1 upon 2. Okay, cross multiplication. Therefore GD is equal to 5 upon 2 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Clear? So you got GD they asking, and GD you got, that is 2.5 centimeter. This is your answer. Now half question completed. Now again you have to find out of this whole BG. Okay, same as okay, BG upon GE. BG upon G is equal to what? 2/1. Clear? Therefore BG is equal to how much? You don't know. Upon G how much? 2 is equal to 2 upon 1. Therefore you will do cross multiplication. So bg into 1 is equal to 2 into 2. Therefore bg is equal to 4. Clear? So you got bg is equal to 4. This bg you got 4. Now now you have to find out b. Okay, so now b is equal to how much? b is equal to bg plus ge. So b is equal to bg plus g. Therefore b is equal to bg is how much? bg is how much? 4 centimeter we got. Clear? So b is equal to bg 4 plus g. G was how much? 2 centimeter it was given. Okay, plus 2. Since z is equal to 2 centimeter. Clear? Therefore b is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the answer. So what is the answer? What will be answer? GD is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and B is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear? This is your the final answer get completed. Okay, now come to 12th question. 12th question is what? Convert the following rational numbers into decimal forms. Okay, you have to convert these rational numbers in the decimal form. So what is that? It is given here 8 upon 13. Okay, means 8 is divided by 13. It's not 13 is divided by 8, but 8 is divided by 13. So is equal to what? 8 divided by 13. Okay, so what will be there? You take point. Okay, so what will be there? 8 say it will quotient is not going, so you take what? After taking point